I would also take the opportunity of extending a heartfelt gratitude to all our wonderful sponsors for their immense trust in us, for their contribution, for their support and their encouragement. Nirani Sugars, our presenting partner. Can we please give a huge round of applause to all our wonderful sponsors? Nirani Sugars, our presenting partner. KBK Sugar, our title partner. Rika Global Impex and Rajganga Biorefineries, our powering partners. Dalmia Utsav, our co-powering partner. And of course, Chini Mandi, our esteemed organizers. एक बार मैं चाहती हूँ जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं हमारे सभी स्पॉन्सर्स के लिए. उन्होंने सच में अपना बहुत योगदान दिया है, बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन और बहुत सपोर्ट दिया है आज के इस इवेंट को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए. सो थैंक यू टू आवर स्पॉन्सर्स. Our Honorable Minister will be here with us just in a few moments. He's arrived, he's at the venue. वो पहुंच चुके हैं बस कुछ ही मिनटों में. Can we please have a huge round of applause? A very, very warm welcome to our Honorable Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Jairam Gadkari ji. Can we please have a huge round of cheer, everybody? बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका सर. Thank you so much for gracing us with your wonderful, wonderful presence. बहुत बहुत नमस्कार आपको. स्वागत, अभिनंदन. Please have a seat, everybody. I request everyone to please be seated. Good morning, ladies, gentlemen, esteemed speakers, distinguished guests, and all our valued attendees. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the 4th edition of the Sugar, Ethanol and Bioenergy India Conference 2025. Can we please have a huge round of applause for the 4th edition of our conference, a premium gathering that continues to set the benchmark for excellence in the sugar, ethanol, and biofuel industries. Today, we bring together the biggest minds, industry leaders, and key stakeholders from across the globe to explore the transformative potential of sugar, ethanol, and biofuels. This conference is not just a meeting of ideas, but a confluence of innovation, sustainability, and collaboration. A platform from where the future of bioenergy is shaped. As we stand at the intersection of tradition and innovation, this event serves as a testament to the power of these industries in driving a greener, more energy-efficient world. Over the next 2 days, we will delve into groundbreaking advancements, engage in thought-provoking discussions, and uncover opportunities that will redefine the landscape of bioenergy. None of this would be possible without the unwavering support and commitment of our sponsors and organizers. So I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our sponsors. Let's give a cheer to Nirani Sugars, our presenting partner, KBK Sugar, our title partner, Rika Global Impex and Rajganga Biorefineries, our powering partners, Dalmia Utsav, our co-powering partner, and of course, Chini Mandi, our esteemed organizers, for their vision and dedication in bringing this conference to life. So let's make this edition the most impactful one yet. Thank you once again for being here, and I wish you all an inspiring and productive conference. We have a video showcasing some of the glimpses of Chini Mandi, so all eyes on the screen, please. Can we please have the video?
In 2018, Chini Mandi began as a humble news portal today. It stands as the world's largest media and networking platform for the industry, with 7.5 million readers across the globe. Over 80,000 articles published in English, Hindi, Marathi, and Gujarati. Chini Mandi keeps its readers informed with timely, accurate updates and market insights. Chini Mandi organizes influential roundtable conferences for sugar millers and traders and hosts SEIC, India's most prestigious conference for sugar, ethanol, and bioenergy leaders. The platform also celebrates industry leaders at the annual Sugar and Ethanol International Awards, honoring outstanding contributions to the sector. On August 15, 2024, Chini Mandi brought the entire community together with a special national anthem video, symbolizing unity and patriotism. As Chini Mandi grows, it remains committed to uplifting and advancing the industry, ensuring every stakeholder stays connected and informed.
So that was Chini Mandi. एक बार जरा तालियां हो जाए. Let's create some positive vibes, some positive encouragement for this wonderful conference. And we will now be proceeding with the inaugural ceremony for today, for which I would like to first welcome on stage Mr. Jeetu Shah. I request you to please join us on the stage. और एक बार जरा जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Mr. Jeetu Shah is the chairman of JK Group. His leadership has led the group to diversify and grow in different sectors, including sugar and commodity trade, wealth management, IT, sports, retail, media communications, entertainment, and infrastructure. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Along with him, I would also like to invite to the dais Mr. Uppal Shah. Sir, I request you to please grace the stage, and can I have a huge round of applause for both these gentlemen? Mr. Uppal Shah is a visionary entrepreneur and group managing director of JK Sugars and Commodities, starting his journey at the age of 15 in the year 1997. He transformed his family business into a diversified conglomerate. Mr. Shah revolutionized India's sugar industry by founding Chini Mandi. A very, very warm welcome to both of you. All right, and can I please have a huge round of applause for both these gentlemen on the stage with us? And now we would like to formally welcome all our distinguished guests. And I would request Mr. Shah and Mr. Jeetu to please welcome our guests on the stage and felicitate them with a bouquet of flowers. So may I please request to join us on stage, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. A very, very warm welcome to our Honorable Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways. एक बार फिर से आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत, अभिनंदन sir. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. I think this is the first round of cheer for the morning, so we can have more energy. Let's have a little bit more enthusiasm and welcomed our dignitaries, our guests. Next, may I please welcome on stage Shri Ashwini Srivastava ji, Joint Secretary, Department of Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. स्वागत करना चाहूंगी डॉक्टर सीमा परोहा जी का, डायरेक्टर नेशनल शुगर इंस्टीट्यूट. Next, it's my honor to welcome on the dais Shri Harshvardhan Patil ji, President, National Federation of Cooperative Sugar Factories Limited. The audience, a little bit more enthusiasm. Shri Murugesh Nirani ji, Founder Chairman, MRN Group. Please join us on the dais. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. Shri Atul Chaturvedi ji, Executive Chairman, Shri Renuka Sugars Limited. A warm welcome to you, sir. साथ ही invite करना चाहूंगी श्री विजेंद्र सिंह जी, Executive Director and Deputy CEO, Shri Renuka Sugars Limited. Shri Pankaj Rastogi ji, Executive Director, Dalmia Bharat Sugars and Industries Limited. I request all our esteemed members to please join us on stage. Shri Atul Mule ji, President, Bioenergy Praj Industries Limited. हम जरा स्पीड में तालियां बजाते रहे तो I can quickly call all our dignitaries on the stage. Shri Prasad Gavate ji, CEO, Rajganga Biorefineries Private Limited, and our last dignitary, Shri Ranjit Singh Nayak Nimbalkar ji, Promoter Swaraj Green Power Limited, to please join us on stage and take a seat. And as they say, before we begin anything auspicious, we must invoke the blessings of the divine, of the Almighty. So now, I would request all our dignitaries present on the stage with us to please come forward for the auspicious lighting of the lamp ceremony. Please join us forward, all our guests. Please join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. May I also please request Mr. Hemant Shah and Mr. Hussain to join us for the lamp lighting ceremony.
Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadah Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepajyotir Namostute Deepajyotir Namostute Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadah.
Thank you to all the dignitaries. इसके बाद आप सभी से मेरी दरख्वास्त है, I would request everyone to please remain on the stage and take their seats.
Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadah.
Thank you so much, everybody. With this, we have marked the official inaugural opening ceremony for our conference. I would request our esteemed guests to please take their seats on the stage itself. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin, let's take a moment to celebrate unity and pride. Last year, Chini Mandi brought together over 60 individuals from 40 organizations across the sugar and allied industries to sing the Indian national anthem. This initiative symbolized the collective strength and commitment of our industry towards a prosperous and a self-reliant India. As we stand together today, let us honor this spirit by rising for the national anthem. I request everybody to please kindly rise for the national anthem.
विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगी गाहे तब जय गाथा जय गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much, everyone. Please be seated. All our guests, I request you to please take your seats on the stage. A beautiful video put together by Chini Mandi, symbolizing unity and diversity. That was beautiful. Thank you so much.